Is your Toyota Venza constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Studies show that 80% of connectivity issues stem from faulty cables or outdated firmware. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get you back online. Start by checking the physical link, as debris in the port is a common culprit. If the cable is fine, focus on your software by forgetting the device and repairing. Don't forget to check for Toyota and Tune system updates, which often patch these bugs. Try the quick fixes first, as shop visits for infotainment issues can get expensive. As you can see, the data points to the cable as the primary point of failure. For persistent issues, a hard system reset by disconnecting the battery often clears the glitch. Have these simple tools on hand if you decide to tackle the hard reset yourself. Remember, if the problem persists, start with the cheapest component before assuming the worst. Follow these steps to restore your connection and drive safe out there.